Fuck's sake.
I'm sorry. Just nervous.
Nervous? It's bird watching. How's there to be nervous about?
Yeah, but it's my first time and it feels a little pervy.
Shh.
It's just that they got like pretty pervy names, you know. Blue tit, dick sissel, Andean cock, woodpecker.
Oh my god, I'm done. Fuck this. I knew it was a mistake to bring you to do this. I'm done. I'm not doing this anymore.
No.
Wow, it's so beautiful. Do you want to see something new I've been working on? Yeah? Alright, wait here.
What the fuck is it? What the fuck?
Whoa, what? What do you mean? It's a deer. Deer.
What the fuck? I swear a fucking deer sounds like this.
It's a weird fucking deer.
Great impression though, right? It's all just working on something new.
Somebody! Can anyone help?
I bet my mum would be proud of that.
Shut the fuck up! Somebody help! Anybody!
I think I was a deer in my previous life.
Fuck off! Anybody! Somebody!
Oh, do you think I can make it in a deer calling contest? Well, like, as far as impressions go, you'd rate it high, right?
Swear to fucking God!
Can you put it on my gravestone, my impression?
They're coming.
Are they? I'll show them my deer calling for coming.
And the deer are coming too. It's fine.
Oh,
My hand's here and it's gonna be fine. We're gonna be fine. We're gonna be good. We're gonna be fine. Okay? It's gonna be fine.
as good as my deer call?
It's gonna be better than your deer call. It's gonna be fucking good.
It's pretty fucking good. I bet that would make my dad love me.
Not as much as the deer. Not as much as the deer.
Call my first son deer. Please.